Hello guys, so for today's video we will mod this application sketchbook. So I will show you by using MT Manager. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. So as you can see, it has a task to upgrade to premium. So when you click, you will see like this. So we will mode this thing alright. So let me show you how to. So we will close the app and we will go to MT Manager. Alright, extract APK, then we will choose the app extract APK locate. Then click the app. View. Classic.dex editor plus select all OK. Go to strings. Click filter search for premium. Premium, then OK. The first one click. Search. Click the shirt one, so we will change it 0 by 1. Then save. And exit. Then OK. Then back work, so go to it. Search up and scroll down and install. Then open. As you can see, we finished. We get the application premium for free, so if I can, so do you. That's it for today's video. So don't forget to like the video and share and subscribe. See you next, guys.